Hey coders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve the missing number problem. So the question is, given an array of nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is the missing from the array. So the question is like, we have nums array and we need to figure out like which is the missing element. So in the first example, nums array is 3, 0, 1 and the output is 2. Because in this array, the range of n is up to 3 only. So in that 3 only, we need to figure out like which element got missed. So here we are having 1, 3, but 2 got missed. So in the second example, like we are having the 0, 1, like so the range of nums is like 2, so output is 2. Like that we need to figure out like which is the missing number here. So here I am just taking like 301 example for our explanation purpose. So array is having 301. First we need to find out the missing element. So before jumping into the solution, let's try to find out like, let's say I am having n elements. So if we are having n elements, so the n elements sum, how can we calculate? The formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the math formula to find out the sum of n number of elements. So by using this formula, we can easily solve the missing number. So with this, so my range is up to 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, which is like 3 plus 1 by 2 means 4 by 2, which is 6. This is the like in a range 3, the sum of like n elements is the 6. But if we traverse this array and if we find out the sum of the array elements, so here like we are having 3 plus 0 plus 1, which is nothing but 4. So if we subtract the n element sum minus whatever the array sum, we got the missing element. So this is the pretty straightforward answer. So let's quickly write a code for this one. So here I'm taking one variable to find out the array size, and I'm taking one variable which is like sum of n elements. So we know like n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we need to find out the array total. So total equals to 0. So now I am traversing the array by taking I as 0 and I less than n, I plus plus. So here we can do total plus equals to array of 5. So with this we got the sum of the array elements. Now after traversing the array, we can return the missing number. How? Like from subtracting the sum minus total, which will give the missing number. So quickly run this program. So here like they have provided array name as nums. So nums of 5. So our solution got accepted. So now I am trying to submit this one. So yeah, it got accepted. So this is the solution of missing number. So if you like the approach, keep watching our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.